We've started toasting, and this is just some sourdough bread that we make at the restaurant. Okay. So as we're toasting that, I'm going to come in. Just in some olive oil? Yep, just in a little bit of olive oil. Okay. So I'm going to come back here. I'm just going to add a little bit of arugula. I have a little white onion and a little bit of radish. Okay. And I have some supreme tangerines over there if you guys would just like to bring those guys over. And so a supreme is where you actually cut the skin off and then segment it out of the pulp of the tangerine itself. And then these guys we just peeled and broke them up. But what's really nice—
those are beautiful color. They're nice and red.
Yes. Yes. Yeah. You can actually split them, and you're still going to be left with that same kind of really beautiful—
Oh, that's a great idea.
With still some of the pith attached to it.
Yeah, and it was so fast it took no time.
Right.
I mean, anybody with a young child or a new mom with a new baby can whip this up in no time.
When you have such clean, simple flavors, I mean, it's hard to go wrong.